Hey everyone, welcome to Lovin' Life's Journey. It has been a hot minute since we have done a vlog, but today we are in the Boise airport. We are headed to Branson, Missouri. So we're super excited for this vacation because the first Branson vacation didn't turn out great. Chris ended up in the hospital. He didn't get to enjoy very much or really any of the vacation. So this is Branson 2.0. Our daughters and grandson are meeting us there. My in-laws are meeting us there, and we're just going to have a great week. So we're going to take you along with us. So let's head to Branson. Our plane landed in Springfield at about 9 o'clock and we picked up our rental car. Now we are headed to the Rockwood Motor Court where we are staying for the night, and we're also meeting our two daughters and our grandson there. I was so excited to find this place. It's just so nostalgic. It's on old Route 66 and I just think it's really fun. So I will be giving you a tour probably tomorrow when it's light out. So let me give you a room tour. We are staying in one of the cottages. We have the whole cottage to ourselves. And so you come in and there is a queen size bed. And I just love how nostalgic and vintage everything is. It's just very homey. And you have a little TV, but it's not like a huge giant one. And all the furnishings that you need. And the bathroom is super cute as well. I love the yellow color, the black and white tile and fixtures. It's just super cute. And they even thought of little details such as inside the little medicine cabinet, there's some old time shaving supplies. And then, of course, they have your uh, shampoo and lotion and things like that to use as well. On the other side of the room, you have Chris and our grandson CJ. That's the best part of this whole room. Then there's a little kitchenette. It just has a counter with a little mini fridge underneath, microwave and coffee maker on the top with a sink. Then there's a shelf with some dishes and things to use. All very vintage looking, just to keep with the theme. And while it's not fancy, it's everything that you need. The room is air conditioned, which is important. There's a nice little chair to sit in. There's also two twin size beds, and we had enough room to put CJ's pack and play next to the bed too. And so there was a good amount of room. And there was a little desk and chair if you wanted to sit and work there. And they also even had some really fun, nostalgic Route 66 magazines and things to look at. It is now the next morning and light out, so let me give you a tour of the outside. We have the sign as you drive in, and this old vehicle out front. This used to be an old service station on Route 66, so that's the front of the motor court. And there's, of course, my grandson just looking cute as ever. In the courtyard, they kind of have where the parking is. They also have a bunch of little seating areas that are great for people just to gather and visit. And people were doing that, and it just had a really fun community atmosphere. And CJ loved all of the fun things that were around to find as well. We really enjoyed staying here. Phyllis, who is one of the owners, is just super nice and accommodating, and it just had such a nice atmosphere. It was something unique and different than just staying at your regular hotel, and it's a little bit of American history, so I think that is super fun, and I would highly recommend staying at the Rockwood Motor Court. And one of the best things is this room was just over $100 for the night. So for all of us to stay, that was a great deal as well. And now we're going to hop in the car and drive about a mile down the road, down Route 66, to go to the College Street Cafe for breakfast. So as you can see, the College Street Cafe is not very big, but they had a great menu and the prices were really good. As you can see here, they had a special for $6.99. They had omelets for $7 and $8.99. They also had lunch sandwiches, hamburgers for $7.99, $8.99. So really good prices, and the food was really good too. And I thought the portion sizes were really good for what the prices were. Well, we've left the Rockwood Motor Court. That was such a cute little place to stay. Just very homey and has a lot of history. Really enjoyed staying there. We are now headed to Branson, to Stillwater's Resort, where we will be staying for the rest of the week. Stillwater's Resort is about 45 minutes from Springfield. It's right on Table Rock Lake in Branson, and it's just a really nice resort with a lot of amenities that we enjoy. It has several different pools and water slides, and this pool area had a small wading pool that was perfect for CJ. This is the largest pool area. It has a hot tub, it has a snack bar, also has a big water slide, and some cabanas and beds to lay on. It's just a really great place to relax and for the kids to play. Also on property, there's a little store, a coffee shop, a pizza place. There's also several food trucks, and an area that we really like is this area here. There's the Shady Taco, where you can get some food and just sit outside and eat. And then there's also Thirsties if you want to just hang out and have a drink. It's a bar. And it's all outdoor seating, but just a really great atmosphere. If you are enjoying this video, if you would take a second and hit that like button, it would really help us out. So we are staying in a 2-bedroom suite in Building K, room 248. And when you walk in the door, the kitchen is to the left in this room, and it has everything you need, full-size appliances, has a washer and dryer as well. It also has a dishwasher, so that's really great. And it has all the pots and pans and utensils and everything you need if you want to cook your meals. It also has a bar with seating for 3 and a large dining room table with seating for 6. The living room has a couch and a love seat. There's a balcony right off of the living area with a table and chairs. There's a fireplace and TV, and that right there is a Murphy bed. In this bedroom, we have 2 queen beds. It's a very spacious room. It has a nice big dresser, a TV, and then it has a closet with a light in it. I love that. And it has its own bathroom. It only has a 1 sink, but the counter space is really adequate, very large. It also has a bathtub and a shower, so all in all, a very good bathroom for this room. Going into the master suite, it has a king-size bed, and there are 2 closets in this room, and it also has a nice big dresser and television. And then it has a huge bathroom. Still a single sink in the vanity, but it didn't seem to be a problem. We had lots of counter space, had a really nice large jetted soaker tub, and of course toilet and a stand-up shower. So a lot of room. And then off of the balcony, always lots of ducks, and you could see the marina and Table Rock Lake, and it was just a perfect place to relax and watch the sunsets. So this is where I'm going to end the vlog. Tomorrow we are going to be going to the top of the rock and do a golf cart tour, and so we'll take you along for that. So be sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.